All right, this was sent into the channel for a review. This is by the, I can't even pronounce it, that company there. And it is the Nano100. So I guess they think it's small, but it seems big to me. So this is one of those things that don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I really wanted one. I'm sure you have similar problems. You see something that's super cool. I know I'll find a use for that. So what is it? It's kind of a battery bank on steroids, right? It's a very, very simple device, right? It has batteries inside it. You charge it up, and then it can output. It's just a portable battery, but it's heavy. It's heavy. I don't know if it has a weight on it here, but well, here, let's turn it on. So it's got it monitors the input and the output. So as you charge it, it monitors that, and it'll tell you how long you have, how many hours to take to charge, and how many watts you're putting in. It's 100% charged right now. And then when you're outputting to some device, it'll tell you how many watts you're outputting and how many hours you have left on the battery at that particular thing. So let's take a look at it. It's got USB-C for charging or output. This can be either in or out. It's got a USB-A, which is output only. And then it's got another one on top. This one's kind of cool. It's got a built-in retractable cord that you can use for either charging or discharging. And again, USB-C, and then it kind of goes in, and it's got a magnet in here that makes it go flush. I kind of wish it had a wireless charger on top for your cell phone. That's the only thing I think it's missing. But yeah, let's hook something up to it and see what it does. Okay, let's say I'm on an episode of Survivor and I remembered to bring my battery pack with me, and we can hook it up to my hot plate here and do some surface mount soldering on the island. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn this thing on, and we can make it go. There we go. Oops. Let's see here. Okay, so now it's going. It says it's getting 19.6 volts, and our display here says we're outputting 58 watts, and we should be able to run our hot plate for about 96 minutes. So it's kind of going up, it's updating. It's 1.7 hours. Okay, it went to hours. That's interesting. Yeah, see, hit the display button, brightens it back up again. Yeah, 48 watts as it's heating up. So it started out many watts, and then as the hot plate's heating up, it's going down. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, you know, I don't know how often I'm going to need a lot of battery power someplace, but this is going to do the job. Let's see here. Let's take a look at its specifications. While we heat up my hot plate over there. Let's see here. We'll look at it here. It says it's 31 amp hours at 3.2 volts. And rated capacity 20 volts, 5 amps, 4.4 amp hours. Charge it, discharge 2,000 times. Oh, here's the weight. It's 1.1 kilograms, so yeah, it's a bit on the hefty side. Then here's the specifications for USB-C, and you can do the charging on it, 45 watts max. USB-C, that's for the female and male. So this is the front panel, and this is the cable. It's a solar input, so it does say that you could charge it solar, but that just means that if you have a solar device that has USB-C on it, you could charge this thing up with it. It seems silly, but anyway, it says solar input. It doesn't really mean much. Or a car. So yeah, so you can charge it with a car, you can charge it with a solar panel, you could charge it with another USB charger thing. And yeah, so anyway, we're up to temperature over here at 220. Let's see how we're doing. It says we still have at this we're now good for 4 hours because it's already heated up, right? So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and turn this guy off. Stop. Okay. Let's see. Let's say I need to charge my cell phone. I'll plug my cell phone in. Let's see how it does here. It negotiated with it and said, "Yeah, we can take 6 watts now. Yeah, we'll take 6 watts." The USB-C negotiates of how much it will take or whatever it wants to do. So it's somewhere around 4 to 7 watts, depending on how my phone is feeling. It's still pretty well charged up. And it says, you've got 12 hours for cell phone charging. So it'd be a nice thing here in California for earthquakes or something, or some kind of disaster thing. It'd be nice. It'd be nice for that. We're down to 98%. So we could say, oh, we better charge that thing up. Let's put this cord away, and we'll bring in another charging cord from some other device. We'll just plug it in the front, and it'll say, oh, you're inputting now. Oh, I see. You want to do something. And so now it's charging at 44 watts. It says it's going to take 2.7 minutes to charge it up all the way, and you can watch it charge. So yeah, you can charge it up pretty fast at 44 watts, I would think. All right, I think, that's about it. These things are super simple. And again, I want it, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Anyway, maybe you're the same way. Or maybe you already know exactly what you're going to do with it. I think they build different, I think this company builds different sizes. And I believe this is their small one. And supposedly, I think this one you can take on an airplane, but don't quote me on that. Investigate it yourself. Let's see here. This one, again, it's marked X004LU55LF, 145 watt portable power station, with blah, 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 blah. Ideal for travel? Yeah, like I said, I don't know about that. Anyway, that's my review of the Nano 100.